Hello everyone, today I want to share with you about understanding Toulmin model applications in proposals and research writing. This is advantage. First, I have an acknowledgement for my teacher. I'd like to thank Dr. Shiba Victor, who taught me about the Toulmin model for his writing research papers in one of my PhD courses called Academic Reading and Writing in 2018. Who is Toulmin model? Toulmin model was born in March 25, 1992, December 4, 2009. He was a British philosopher, author, and educator. He devoted his works to analyzing moral reasoning. He prepared a model of law. He developed practical ways to evaluate ethical arguments effectively. So, we use this model for proposal writing and research in general. This presentation explores the use of the Toulmin model in writing proposals and research papers. It provides an overview of the model, discusses its application in structuring arguments, and highlights its importance in academic writing with sample examples. The Toulmin model is a framework for constructing arguments that was developed by philosopher Stephen Toulmin. It breaks down arguments into 6 components or elements: claim, grounds, warrant, backing, rebuttal, and qualifier, facilitating clearer and more persuasive writing. Here it is, the 6 elements of Toulmin model. The first one is claim, the main point or assertion or argument. Grounds, evidence or reasons supporting the claim. Warrant, the logical connection between the claim and the grounds. Backing, additional support for the warrant. Rebuttal, counter arguments addressing opposing views. Qualifier, statements that limit the strength of the claim. By the way, we can use 3 of them. The first 3, claim, grounds, and warrant. They are primary elements of Toulmin model. Wherever necessary, you can add the other 3 in your research proposals or research in general. Let's see the importance of Toulmin model in academic writing. Using Toulmin model in academic writing enhances clarity and rigor. It helps to structure arguments logically and ensure that claims are well supported by evidences. Toulmin model encourages critical thinking and helps writers address counter-arguments comprehensively, making their proposals more persuasive and credible. To add your proposal credible, you have to use, or you can use, Toulmin model. By default, you may use such kind of arguments in your mind when you write research proposals. The other importance of Toulmin model here is proposal writing is a form of argumentation. Writers have arguments for persuading, interpreting, evaluating, or reviewing, or explaining their ideas. Employing the Toulmin model in proposal significantly enhances clarity and persuasiveness. Articulating claim and backing them with logical reasons and evidence, writers can create compelling narratives that resonate with their audiences. Addressing potential objections through rebuttals increases the trustworthiness and appeal of your argument. Successful proposals often utilize the Toulmin model to clearly present their case. For instance, a research proposal may start with a strong claim about the necessity of the study, followed by grounds that include preliminary data or literature reviews. A well-structured rebuttal addressing potential concerns can further strengthen the proposal, demonstrating thoughtfulness and preparation. Let's see some common misunderstandings of Toulmin model. The first common misunderstanding about Toulmin model includes its perceived rigidity. Some believe it limits creativity in writing. However, it actually provides a flexible framework that aids clarity and organization. Another misunderstanding is that it's only applicable to argumentative essay. However, It can improve any form of academic writing by emphasizing logical structure. Understanding the Toulmin model adaptability helps writers use it more effectively in diverse contexts. So, what's expected from the writers? Writers must carefully craft arguments that are thorough yet comprehensible without oversimplifying complex ideas. Utilizing clear language, relevant examples, and logical flow can bridge the gap between rigorous analysis and reader friendly content. This ensures that research is not only intellectually robust but also accessible to a broader audience. Let's see the application. The Toulmin model provides a systematic approach for structuring argument in proposals. By clearly defining claims and supporting them with relevant evidence, writers can develop solid proposals that are more likely to persuade decision makers. Each part of the model contributes to a well-rounded argument, ensuring the comprehensiveness. Let's see some examples from each of the 6 elements. The first one includes the 6 elements. The second example is taken from a research paper. Let's see my example here. First, I have to have in my mind the claim, like collaborative writing practice in Google Docs significantly enhance students' writing skills. If I have a claim like this, I have to gather different research literatures to support my arguments. Like students using Google Docs for collaborative writing receive real-time feedback from peers and instructors. I have some evidence here. Even I can add more to show you as an example that much is enough. Immediate feedback and revision tracking promote active learning and improve writing accuracy and clarity. I have to connect claim and data by writing warrant. The second example focus on the second 3 elements of Toulmin model: backing, repeater, and qualifier. Just as an example to mention for you. Educational research support the effectiveness of peer feedback and collaborative learning in writing development. While Google Docs facilitates collaborative writing, it's crucial to distinguish between the process of collaboration and the development of individual writing skills. Some may argue that collaborative writing can lead to uneven contributions or groupthink mentally. However, these challenges can be mitigated through clear roles, responsibilities, and instructor guidance. So, I've finished the 6 elements like as I have shown you. So, there is no need of writing, backing, repeatal, qualifier, claim, data, and warrant. Rather, you have to keep in your mind how to write the argument structurally. Let's see the second example that I have taken from the research paper. Chang, Millet, and Rendia, 2019. The one that I have written here in the green is the claim. The red one is the data. And the others are the warrant that support or join this claim with the claim with the data. Have a look at this. Although research into the teaching of listening in second language contexts can no longer be characterized as neglected, some areas such as listening fluency development and extensive listening have not received much attention. Developing second language listening fluency is not a new concept in language learning. These researchers took the outdated resources and then they came back to the recent one. Let's see, more than 30 years ago, they mentioned already Scholars such as Noor 1980, Nevis 1982, and Duncan 1986 emphasize the importance of second language listening fluency in language acquisition, more recently influenced by the popularity of extensive reading. Some scholars, Chang and Millet 2014, Rendia and Farrell 2011, have started to promote extensive listening, urging second language listening researchers to find out the extent to which extensive exposure to spoken language can facilitate the development of listening fluency and whether second language students need extra language support when doing independent listening. So, this is the way to write proposals, to write research papers using Toulmin model. Let's see the key takeaways from this presentation. Toulmin model serves as a valuable tool for structuring arguments in both proposals and research writing. Its six elements work collaboratively to enhance clarity, persuade audiences, and address counter-arguments effectively. You can use it without explicitly mentioning the elements, like the researchers wrote in their introduction. They didn't write claim, rebuttal, something, something, the six elements. Rather, by default, they know the structure, how to write using Toulmin model. Understanding its benefits, limitations, and application can empower writers to produce compelling, well-supported, and current academic work, making their arguments more impactful. Here are my references. Thank you